The Trump administration is expected to announce the formal suspension of planning for major August multilateral military drills on the Korean Peninsula as soon as Thursday. This decision announced at Tuesday's historic summit with DPRK leader Kim Jong Un caught South Korea's defense ministry unawares. And the ministry says at this current point there is a need to discern the exact meaning and intent of President Donald Trump's comments. It says there have been no discussions yet with Washington on modifying drills set for August.